Hey, in the recent week, I was looking for an investor or a group of investors, and I came to this idea that I need to have a business plan. I need to have a clear plan to how should I monetize my platform? How should I get money from my users? But the purpose of ComeFront is not about money. ComeFront and many other modern platforms that you will see in the future, they don't want to bother with monetization. They just want to focus about their services and their development to provide better services for their users without risking their real goal and their real reason that they are existed for monetization and cost of maintenance. To be clear, they want to earn enough to cover cost of maintenance, earn enough money for profit, but monetization and subscription adds complexity, and in many times they will lose users that small companies cannot cope with that, including ComeFront. So I needed to one, earn money to cover infrastructure costs, earn money to profit, earn money to convince investors, and also earn money in the way that don't lose my users, in the way that doesn't disrupt the goals of ComeFront. So that's how I created a new company, a large umbrella, a digital global that many companies like ComeFront come under it. And any company and any user that register in any company that is under this umbrella can go freely and use all the services under this umbrella and pay the services based on the time and operations that the user committed in each software. Let me show you this. This digital ecosystem is EL-Glob. It is a comprehensive business plan for many companies that want to be under this umbrella and this ecosystem so that they don't need to have a business plan. This is a digital infrastructure platform founded in 2025 by me, Parham Pazirai. So this is our umbrella, and each of these squares are our softwares, which this particular one can be ComeFront. Each user has a currency number. By the way, I might change the names so each user can freely use each service. By using each service, the currency number adds up. If it reaches above a certain number, if that user doesn't pay, he or she starts to get an advertisement. Vision statement: to create the world's first unified digital ecosystem that eliminates the complexity of individual software. So it's going to reduce the complexity of monetization for individual software providers by creating a unified digital ecosystem. We are the first in the world unified digital ecosystem. So the software providers can focus on their mission instead of monetization complexity. EL-Glob empowers software providers to focus on innovation rather than business model. Hello, hello. Here the currency number is EL-Co. I said I'm going to change the name. I'm not sure what am I going to name the currency yet, but I will figure this out. Now the currency name is EL-Co. So it eliminates individual software companies to develop their own subscription model, payment processing, and user management system. It is usage based on user engagement. Also, it is dual revenue based on transaction fees and advertisement. Initially, we need so our company is a paradigm shift in how digital services are delivered and monetized, rather than each software provider managing their own complex business operations. Like ComeFront. ComeFront is not meant to be monetized. It is a microservice. It is a software that it should be free for people to use without bothering for subscription plans, losing customers or users. It should be free and available for everyone. So our second company is a umbrella that companies like ComeFront can operate like many other companies that can be monetized based on user interaction and engagement. So you charge based on what operations you do on your software, how much operations your servers, your CPU or database you do, you will be paid based on them. This is fascinating. There is a lot of goodies. So there we solve problems for software providers, for users, and for markets, for innovators that want to join to the market. We provide a user management, billing, digital currency, automated payment processing, advertising, integration platform, analytics, and reporting dashboard. This part is where our job will be challenging to analyze how much each user interacted with each platform and how. But I'm sure we will figure this out. EL-Co represents transaction units. Each action, viewing, creating, sending, data storage consumes EL-Co units, creating a transparent and scalable pricing model. There is other analysis that me as an innovator don't want to bother myself. There is revenue model. So it seems my AI added this by itself. I don't want to have this line. Coming to EL-Glob is free. So if you are a software provider, you can come under this umbrella for free. There is no upfront cost for it. So the transactions is based on the EL-Co or currency number. I'm not sure about the name, but after the user uses your service, some cost associates to your infrastructure cost, some cost associates to your profit, some cost associates to the EL-Glob infrastructure cost, and some cost associates to EL-Glob profit. It looks fine. And we have some marketing and sales strategies. We have a team. Actually, so far I am alone. I made ComeFront and EL-Glob alone. EL-Glob has no software yet, but ComeFront development is finished and I started to develop the mobile app, and a lot of good things are happening. Actually, these data are for older companies. The new and modern companies are much smaller with much less and more efficient monetization. They can operate and perform better than big and less efficient companies. So these are, it doesn't matter. That's it, everyone. This is my new idea that I will do it just like Confront. So if you think you are part of it, if you see yourself as part of it, just come in front. Just come in front.